Telegram, this channel cannot be displayed because it was used to spread. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on a device and search for Telegram application. So make sure that you have the latest version of the Telegram application. Now as you can see on the screen, there's no option of update available over here beside the Telegram application, which means we have the latest version of the application on our device. So we're going to go back and then swipe up the app drawer and then select or make a long press on Telegram application and then tap on app info. Next, we're going to tap on the clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and then clear cache. After that, tap on the app permissions option over here and then make sure that you have toggled on all the required options so that you do not have any hindrances while using the application. Now go back and try to launch Telegram and your problem might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.